What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. My iPhone 11 is supposed to be stylish, so I picked up this case. Hopefully it's stylish too. It's by Diaclara, and I've already cut the sticker there to pull this sucker out, and it's supposed to be, as far as I can tell, leather. Boom, right there, and it looked pretty nice in the pictures. It's kind of that kind of distressed, almost rawhide looking leather, and I was just gonna take a sniff of it because I think it is leather. It's a little hard to validate without pulling up a corner and looking at the underside, but it really does look like real leather and seems to have a leather-like smell, although it's not super strong. What I like about this too is that it has like a gunmetal case as its base, a little bit thick, a millimeter too thick maybe, and I like the fact that they've done kind of these leather inserts on the big exposed part, so you still have that leather look, but you have a little bit of like this metallic finish, even though it's all plastic all the way around. And I do like that it's that dark gunmetal. Cutouts here, and then molded in buttons. You can see how they do that by slicing the sides here, so this will kind of float like a ribbon. Same on this side, and then a cutout there. Just nice looking. I love this color. You can see that goes right up to the edge of the camera here, so we've got a nice little cutout. So enough of that. Let's put this thing on and see. Oh, I'm stupid. Must be the iPhone 11 Pro, but not the Pro Max, because as you might be able to see here, lengthwise, it does not fit. So I will say, for the smaller iPhone, or the iPhone 11 Pro, not the Max, yeah, not the Max, this looks like it'll be pretty nice. Now I'm gonna have to get one to see if it'll fit, but might go back and see if I can find one for my Pro Max too. I'll put a link to this one in the description if you want to pick it up. Peter von Panda out.